Keep it away. But you can be a bit of a freeze girl too, can't you?
Oh, yeah.
You just get stuck, can't do anything. Okay. So at the moment we need to trust our planet. We need to trust humanity, our medical systems and our governments. That's a pretty big call. Okay. Another flower essence. Bark this time. Olive.
Is that going to taste like olives?
Negatory. You're not an olive girl.
I like them on pizza, but that's it.
Yeah, right. Yeah, okay. So it's a real. We're only at the beginning of this crisis, or I feel in Australia, like we're only in the beginning of this crisis.
Yeah.
This is an expectation of exhaustion because of the whole thing. So we're already feeling that long-term stress.
How has this not popped up with me sooner?
Oh, wow. 8 drops. Okay.
Oh, that's the...
That is huge. It's the mother load.
I didn't know they went that high.
No. That's often genetic as well.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, so this will be your mum or your dad or both. And how have your hands been feeling this week?
A little, kind of, almost tender.
Okay.
Like, I can feel them more.
Yes.
Yeah.
As much numbness?
Yeah, about the same. There's
Okay.
not been a change.
Okay. So let's just make sure all the muscles are connecting. Hold your thumb to your pinky. Hold. Thumb to... Hold. Hold. Whoops. Hold. 2 out of 4. Okay.
Not terrible.
Not dreadful.
They're also a little sore today, but it's been a higher workload than I've had in a while. So.
Yeah. Do you have some muscle cream at home to rub into them?
Somewhere, yeah. Just gotta find it.
Somewhere.
I think my mum-in-law gave me caramel oil. I
Oh,
think it's
yeah.
called. Yeah. So that should be on the microwave still. So that's probably the one I am most likely to be able to find.
And again, hold.
But I'll have some stuff somewhere.
Hold. Hold. Good. I'll check this little one as well. Hold in. Don't let me pull up. Oh, that's much better. Let's check the shoulder joint. Hold. Pushing towards your head. Hold. Towards your left. Pulling towards me. Beautiful.
I did notice last time, because I did that massage afterwards,
Yes.
I could feel my back kind of moving.
Yeah, after the sacral move, yeah.
Yeah, it kept feeling like it was shifting into place in different places.
Hold together. Have you done much exercise this week?
No, it's been bad.
Yeah, okay.
Unfortunately, motivation has not been.
Doggies are so little they don't need a walk.
That's not quite true. But they've been hounding me more for fetch to make up for it.
Aww. Hounding, that's cute.
I'm very punny.
Yes, very punny today. You're right, there's no hands on the trigger points chart. There's got to be some trigger points for it. Hold.
Well, in reflexology, hands have the same kind of mapping as feet, right?
Yeah, exactly. And towards your head. Beautiful. Shoulders are good, bicipital tendons are good, so very locally, down through the forearms. And even with the hands, the escape, submission, freeze.
Oh yeah,
it's just big energy at the moment. Yeah,
that kicked it off. I didn't start worrying to this extent about the coronavirus and its impact as much before this issue with the hands really got kicked off. Well, not since the appointment specifically.
Yes.
The fears were there, but everything is kind of all at once at the moment.
It is. Yeah, and for the first while I was like, this isn't affecting anyone I know. And by one, it's like, boom, 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 the whole domino effect. It really is amazing.
To start with, I was like, okay, this is a sickness, but we'll move past it. That's okay, sicknesses happen. I didn't anticipate this kind of global reaction right off the bat. I just thought some people will be racist, and that's not good.
Yeah.
And then, bit by bit, it was like, oh, now there's more. That this is going to impact this. Oh, now this is going to impact this.
Yeah. Yeah, and every client has their own particular way that it's affecting them at the moment.
Yeah.
And Denise cleaning, she'll be fine. Cleaners is a growth industry.
That'll be in high demand.
There's some acupuncture points in here that relate to a minor chakra. It's the kidney meridian, fear and anxiety again. Are you doing any exercises with your hands?
Not yet.
Okay. That's when you see the OT?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got the referral, but it always takes time for them to process.
Yeah, absolutely. Beautiful. Okay, let's hope that calms down some energy. Yeah, thanks, Shelby.
That's all right.
Bye.